They called him the enemy. They painted him as a savage. Yet even his rivals admitted Salahuddin Ayyubi carried himself like a king. He conquered with the sword, but ruled with mercy. When he recaptured Jerusalem, the world expected blood. Instead, he spared the people, protected the churches, and showed compassion his enemies never gave him. That's why his name echoes across centuries, not just for his victories, but because he proved that true strength is not cruelty. It's discipline, mercy, and honor. Salahuddin didn't just fight for land. He fought for dignity. And in a world where men chase power with greed, he reminds us that the greatest conqueror is the one who conquers his own heart.